Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get floating movable notes on any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Floating Notes by U Apps. On the first list you'll see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you can see the various options here. So you can write a different text in order to add our floating movable notes. So let me add some text here. So I've written some text here. So you can select the background color depending upon which color you want. And you can select the foreground color also, depending upon your needs, which color you want. And you can select the rounded corners also if you want the rounded corners. So right now I will just enable it. And you can select the font style also. So here this much of font styles depending upon your needs, you can select it. And the font size also you can select from small to the largest or medium, whichever you want to set. So these are the options you will gonna get inside this application. So once you are done with your editing, just click on this create, click on proceed. Now just turn on this floating notes and move back. Once again click on this create. Now click on OK and close. Now you can see on the above a floating note is appearing. As you can see, it's movable. So if I minimize this application, still you can see your floating notes. So you can place it wherever you want. So if you open any applications also, still it will show up above any applications. And if you want to modify or edit it, you can just drag it and select the modify options in order to modify. And if you want to remove this respective notes, then you can just drag it to the remove option. Then it will get removed. So by using this similar method, you can add multiple floating movable notes on any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button. And if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.